I would have preferred juice or red wine. So this is how to make Nigeria puff puff. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Chinelo Ezeonye, Nigerian YouTuber based in Kaduna. Guys, I don't know how my face is looking this morning. I don't know. I don't understand my face. Is it because I've taken down my braids? I don't know. Anyways, I have dressed to go to shop. Today is Friday. Yeah, I'm good. I'm heading out right now. And I would like to carry you guys along. Pardon my finger. Like I'm removing it by myself. I am removing it by myself. I have taken down all of this last night, hence I'm trying to remove this one. So yeah, you guys, let's go to the shop. I like to carry you guys along in all that I'm going to do today. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't have plans for today, but whatever comes up, yeah, I'll sure carry you guys along. Let's go. Good evening guys. This is the evening of this particular vlog. You can tell from the clothes or from my hair. Okay guys, this is what am I saying? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you guys are doing well. As for me, I'm also doing okay. So guys, I'm going home. I just want to update you guys. Like, I didn't do much today. I didn't do anything today. Just go to shop. No, normal, sell something. Well, I didn't do much thing today. I am heading home. This is after 6 and I'm heading home. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. So guys, this afternoon I want to make buns for my kids. I didn't go to the shop today. Okay, my kids some of them went to the shop for me. I'm at home with Kamsi and Chibeze. Yeah, so like, I don't know what it is that I had on my leg last night. It could be muscle pull, but I don't know. So hence I'm not working properly. That's why I didn't go to the shop. So and Chibeze said he wanted to eat buns. Right now Chibeze is sleeping. Kamsi is the only one awake. Okay. Yeah, so I want to make these ones because so that when he wakes up, he's going to eat it. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just doing this, not that I am strong, but just want to do it because I'm at home and they requested for it. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, here is my flour, and again I have the ingredients, so if not I won't be doing it. I have a bucket full of flour. So these are our buns, no measurements. We are going to make as the spirit leads. I'm going to sieve it. This is enough. So I'm going to add, this is yeast. I think they wrote angel on it. Angel. So So I bought the full pack for long, and I put it in here to, you know, secure it because of my kids. Here I'm going to turn. Next, I'll be adding my nutmeg, and this is the last nutmeg I have in the house. And tomorrow is Sunday, so I'll probably be getting more, but I don't know when. So I'm going to go in with sugar. Let's add more sugar. Going to go in with powdered milk. So I've added sugar, nutmeg, yeast, milk. Okay. Going to be adding salt. I think I should add a little more. Time to go in with some water. So here is water. I need to use my hand to do the remaining work. So this is how to make Nigerian puff puff. Puff puff. Why it is actually called puff puff? We call it puff puff. Anyways, let me wash up my hands. So you guys, this is a new leather. As you can see, it has not been used. I forgot that I did not have foil paper in the house. So I'm going to use this leather, okay, and I'm going to be using this cover of my pot, just like this. So I'm going to leave it and allow it to proof before we start frying. So you guys, yeah, I just got back. I left this at exactly, I forgot the time. Oh, I just go on. It has really proved, okay? So I have pepper here. I'm going to be adding some pepper inside, some blended pepper. This is what we have here. So let's stir and start frying. And the one doing this oyibo, it is hand they used to use and do this part of this work. I'm actually not putting it in as expected, but I've tried learning that method. It didn't work for me, so I'm doing it the way I know how to do it better. So this is the way it works for me. stage. This is the last one I'm going to I'm trying to cut it as big as possible because I'm tired. So guys, let's pack out the last one. This is the last one. So let's turn off the heat. So hey guys, this is what we have here. These are Nigerian puff puff. Okay, so we're going to have a taste of it. That is so hot. Yeah. So this is our buns. It's so nice. So guys, I already have my plate here, my tumbler, and my not so cold Sprite. Pardon my manners, okay? This is the only non-alcoholic drink that I have at home right now, so that's why I'm using it. On a normal, I would have preferred juice or red wine. Oh. So this is what we have here. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share my videos, and let's one family. You know I love you guys, right? Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.